Alright everyone, I know this video is going up late. This is like take number 7. I'm going to write a song. You guys are going to add instruments to it however you want, vocals, whatever, and submit it to me and we're going to see what happens. So here we go. That's about all I got. I'm trying to get this up within the noon hour. So, there you go. Have some fun with it. Edit it. Maybe make it sound good. I don't know. Enjoy it. Do whatever you want with it. And I'll see you tomorrow with a way better video.